Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and adab. Hello guys, I'm Rasha speaking in front of you. Here I'm present with grammar point. Today I'm to perform about degree, and degree is work only for two parts of speech. One is adverb and two is adjective. At first we should know definition of degree. Degree is a qualitative comparison of adjective and adverb. So let's see the rule. অ্যাডজেক্টিভ এর শেষে ওয়াই এবং তার পূর্বে কনসোনেন্ট থাকলে ওয়াই এর পরিবর্তে আই এবং তার সাথে ইয়ার বসিয়ে কম্পারেটিভ এবং ইএসটি বসিয়ে সুপারলেটিভ হয়। ইফ the last letter of adjective and adverb y, then the before letter y is also consonant, that we must have used y into I, and according to the rule we must have used er to comparative and est to superlative. So let's see the example. Busy, and the comparative form of busy will be busier and the superlative form busy will be busiest. My friend, I am to finish my speech, and my good wishers, guardian, teacher, please pray for me and pardon me if I make any mistake in this topic. Stay with me for the next performance. Assalamualaikum.